inherited from its long history of manufacturing expertise. With advanced technologies creating trust and traditional skills maintaining high quality. Continuously taking on challenges while moving forward with innovation. Mitsubishi Electric Nagoya Works is constantly pursuing its goal of being an advanced and global manufacturer. With its company slogan of "Changes for the Better," Mitsubishi Electric is continuously evolving. Involved in a diverse range of business segments, aiming to become a global and leading green company. Years after the establishment of Mitsubishi Electric in 1921, Nagoya Works began operations in 1924 with the mass production of general-purpose electric motors. Utilizing its experience of manufacturing electric motors, it began manufacturing home appliances. This extensive know-how was then passed on to other factories, with Nagoya Works becoming the mother factory, contributing to the overall development of Mitsubishi Electric. To satisfy the requirements of the manufacturing industry at that time, production started on various factory automation and mechatronic products, resulting in innovative and groundbreaking products time after time. As demand diversified, the core foundation was further strengthened in production, quality, and sales. Establishing a strong overseas support network, Nagoya Works became a leading manufacturer of factory automation products. In 2003, the E-Factory model plant started operations, realizing next-generation manufacturing techniques and contributing to global manufacturing by using its ethos of taking challenges head-on. Nagoya Works has an extensive manufacturing network with production sites both in Japan and overseas. These include the Shinshiro and Kani satellite factories in Japan and additional production facilities in China, Thailand, and India. Optimizing manufacturing operations globally with Nagoya Works at its core. The total solution, E-Factory, was created by integrating the advanced technologies and extensive know-how of Nagoya Works. By utilizing factory automation and IT technologies, E-Factory optimizes not only manufacturing operations, but also the entire engineering and supply chain, realizing advanced manufacturing practices. E-Factory collects production data in real time. Together with edge computing, this enables primary data processing, seamlessly communicating data to the IT system. With feedback of analytical results within the shop floor operations, such as productivity, quality, energy, safety, and security, E-Factory helps to reduce total costs. A variety of core technologies and solutions were used to realize E-Factory. The IQ platform realizes maximum return on investment through its integration of the automation controller, network, and engineering environments. CC-Link IE is an Ethernet-based industrial open network, leveraging connectivity between the shop floor and IT systems. It has become a global standard. Through collaboration with highly specialized E-Factory alliance partners in the fields of system integration, software, and hardware, eFactory solves customers' problems. When eFactory was applied to the factory automation component manufacturing facility here at Nagoya Works, major improvements in productivity, quality, and energy savings were realized, such as a 50% reduction in loss of quality, a 30% gain in productivity, and a 30% reduction in energy consumption costs. This was achieved by the introduction of extensive operations management, task-based support management, and HVAC energy management systems. eFactory has been introduced at other factories in Japan and overseas, adding further value to these facilities. Nagoya Works develops and manufactures a wide range of factory automation products, which help to improve productivity and quality. Programmable controllers and HMIs are part of a group of automation controllers realizing high-performance automation. Drive control products include computerized numerical controllers, inverters, sensorless servos, AC servos, clutches and tension controllers, three-phase motors and IPM motors, enabling high accuracy and variable positioning control. Mechatronic products enabling ultra-high speed and precision control include electrical discharge machines or EDMs, laser processing machines, PCB substrate laser drilling machines, and industrial robots. Power distribution products such as magnetic motor starters and transformers are used extensively in manufacturing plants and infrastructure. Nagoya Works can also provide engineering software to integrate these FA products. And, as a total FA supplier, develop and manufacture products that are best fit for the application. Through its Challenge 2020 initiative, Nagoya Works aims to become the only one FA manufacturer in customer satisfaction, optimizing manufacturing systems from development to production, quality, and service, expanding our expertise in manufacturing globally. Through our extensive research and development resources here at Nagoya Works, within Japan and overseas, we realize advanced development processes from components to total solutions, continuously adding value. Nagoya Works utilizes components with key technologies that have been developed internally, maintaining high quality and adding value to the final product. Nagoya Works Skills Training Schools give the opportunity for employees to pass on their extensive knowledge and experience. High quality is assured by conducting stringent testing in both the development phases and during production, utilizing advanced testing equipment. Striving towards zero defects, maintaining high quality and reliable products. Mitsubishi Electric boasts an extensive service and support network, spreading its advanced technologies throughout the world. Service centers are being opened globally, helping to construct an extensive global support network offering everything from technical consultation to training and post-sales support. At Nagoya Works, basketball training sessions are held by the Mitsubishi Electric women's basketball team, who are members of Japan's top league. We support the local community with various activities as a corporate citizen of Nagoya. Mitsubishi Electric is also the official sponsor of the Nagoya Diamond Dolphins basketball team. Nagoya Works has forged a path in history as a mother factory. From here to the world. Producing, adding value. contributing to the blueprint of future manufacturing. This is our spirit handed down from one generation to another. Continuing to be the right partner for our customers. Innovating. Challenging.